It's dawn at a sprawling airfield. A team of engineers stand beside a massive piece of cargo, a wind turbine blade longer than a city bus. Their breaths hang in the cool morning air. This blade is too big for any truck or train. Only one option remains: fly it. The anticipation is electric. Can modern aviation truly lift something so enormous? Moving huge cargo by air has always pushed the boundaries of engineering. Every shipment is a puzzle, requiring careful planning and nerves of steel. Pilots must balance the weight. Ground crews must secure every bolt, and everyone must trust the machine. Around the world, vital objects, satellites, construction equipment, even disaster relief, wait for their turn in the sky. For decades, the biggest cargo planes, like the Antonov An-225, have ruled this domain. Built for extraordinary jobs, these giants are rare and their flights are expensive. There's a limit to what they can carry, and some cargo is simply too large. This bottleneck slows progress in industries that need to move oversized items quickly. This is the challenge Radia's new Windrunner freighter aircraft aims to solve. It promises to change what's possible for heavy air freight, ushering in a new age for transporting the world's largest and most important cargo. Radia, a forward-thinking aviation company, unveiled the Windrunner to the world with a bold promise: to lift what no other aircraft can. The Windrunner isn't just another cargo plane, it's a mega lifter. That means it's built from the ground up to carry the heaviest, longest, and most awkward loads ever flown. Unlike traditional cargo planes, the Windrunner is designed around the needs of modern industries. Its main feature is a gigantic, unobstructed cargo bay. This bay is shaped to fit objects that would never fit inside a normal plane, like wind turbine blades, tall tower sections, or prefabricated building parts. What sets the Windrunner apart is also how it loads cargo. The plane can kneel down on its landing gear, lowering its tail to the tarmac. This makes it easier and faster to slide in huge loads, reducing the need for special cranes or complex machinery. The whole aircraft is built for efficiency and speed. Radia's innovation is more than just size. It's a new way to think about air freight, tailored to a world where industries and cities are growing rapidly, and where the pace of progress depends on moving the impossible. The Windrunner earns its mega lifter title with sheer scale. Its wings stretch wider than a football field. The fuselage towers over the ground, a cavernous shell built to house cargo that would dwarf most houses. This size isn't for show. It's what makes the Windrunner a solution for industries facing oversized transport challenges. Inside, the aircraft's cargo hold is free from pillars and tight corners. Every inch is optimized for loading large, long, or oddly shaped items. Engineers used lightweight composite materials to keep the structure strong but not heavy, balancing strength with efficiency. Advanced aerodynamics help the Windrunner cut through the air, even when loaded to its maximum. The engines are another key part of the innovation. 4 advanced turbofan engines power the Windrunner, giving it the lift needed for heavy loads. These engines are more fuel efficient than older cargo planes, which helps reduce costs and the plane's environmental footprint. Radia also added special landing gear with more wheels to spread out the plane's weight, allowing it to land at more airports. Every detail of the Windrunner's design serves a purpose. From its oversized doors to reinforced floors, this aircraft was created to be both practical and revolutionary, making the impossible seem routine. Flying a megalifter like the Windrunner is no small task. The design team at Radia had to rethink every aspect of how a plane handles heavy cargo. To start, the aircraft's flight controls use digital fly-by-wire systems, giving pilots precise control, even with a full load. Powerful hydraulic systems manage the opening and closing of the enormous cargo doors. To make loading easier, the Windrunner can lower its rear section, almost like a ramp. This innovation means tall or long items can slide in with minimal lifting. Sensors and cameras help ground crews guide the cargo safely into place, while advanced locking systems keep everything secure during flight. Once airborne, the plane's systems constantly monitor the cargo's position and balance. The cockpit is packed with the latest avionics. Pilots get real-time data on wind, temperature, and even the vibrations of their cargo. This information helps them make smooth adjustments during flight, keeping everything safe. The Windrunner's navigation systems are satellite-linked, allowing it to find the safest and most efficient routes worldwide. All this technology works together to make the Windrunner reliable and safe. It can take off from shorter runways, land at remote sites, and operate in harsh weather, opening up new routes and possibilities for heavy air freight. So, what can the Windrunner actually carry? Well, just imagine a wind turbine blade that's over 100 meters long, a chunk of bridge, or even a prefabricated building section. These are the kinds of loads that industries really struggle to move today. But with a Windrunner, these massive parts can go straight from the factory to their installation site, crossing oceans and continents in just a matter of hours. In the wind energy sector, for instance, bigger turbines mean more power, but also, bigger blades that are super hard to move. Trucks just can't make the turns on those mountain roads, and ships are honestly too slow for urgent projects. The Windrunner solves this by flying directly to remote wind farms, delivering blades and tower sections in record time. Construction is another key area. Major infrastructure projects often stall because large pieces, like tunnel boring machines or bridge girders, are stuck far from where they're actually needed. The Windrunner can deliver these components directly to hard-to-reach places, whether that's remote islands or crowded city centers. This ability to lift the impossible doesn't just save time, it totally changes how companies plan their projects, making bold new designs and much faster construction possible for the first time. The Windrunner's arrival could spark a revolution in several industries. For wind energy, it means faster installation and access to sites that were previously impossible to reach. This could accelerate the transition to renewable energy, helping countries meet clean energy goals more quickly. Construction firms will also benefit. Projects that once took months of planning, waiting for permits, arranging road closures, and navigating complex logistics can now move forward in days. Large bridges, stadiums, or skyscrapers can be built faster, with fewer delays caused by missing or delayed parts. Heavy manufacturing and aerospace companies can use the Windrunner to ship large, custom-built machinery, or even parts of rockets. This opens up new global markets and allows for more flexible, just-in-time production. Disaster relief agencies could also use the aircraft to deliver emergency shelters or equipment after storms or earthquakes, speeding up recovery. Each of these uses adds up to a world where big ideas are not limited by transportation. By making it easier to move the world's largest cargo, the Windrunner unlocks new possibilities for growth and progress. As the Windrunner enters service, the very idea of air freight begins to change. Traditional cargo planes are great for pallets and containers, but not for oversized, awkward loads. The Windrunner fills this gap, connecting manufacturing centers with job sites that were once out of reach. Airports around the world may adapt to welcome this giant. New loading facilities, special runways, and dedicated support teams become part of the landscape. This creates jobs and stimulates local economies, especially near factories and major construction zones. Shipping by air is also much faster than by sea or land. This speed gives businesses a competitive edge, reducing delays and costs. In a global economy where time is money, the Windrunner's capabilities could help industries respond quickly to demand, supply chain disruptions, or emergencies. The arrival of megalifters like the Windrunner marks a turning point. It's not just a bigger plane, it's a tool that changes how the world thinks about moving the extraordinary. The Windrunner's impact goes far beyond companies and industries. Everyday people will feel the benefits too. When wind turbines can be installed faster, more clean energy reaches homes and businesses. Cities can get new bridges or stadiums sooner, easing traffic and creating spaces for communities to gather. Jobs are created at every step. Engineers who build the Windrunner, pilots who fly it, ground crews who load it, and workers at the projects it supports. Training programs will grow to prepare more people for these high-tech roles, expanding opportunities in aviation and logistics. In times of crisis, the Windrunner could make a life-saving difference. By delivering massive shelters or medical supplies to disaster zones, it can bring hope where it's needed most. Its flexibility makes it a potential hero in emergencies, shrinking the world in moments of need. Ultimately, the Windrunner's success will be measured by how it helps people, bringing new power, new buildings, and new possibilities to communities everywhere. Radia's Windrunner is more than just an engineering marvel. It's a symbol of what's possible when technology meets human ambition. The challenges of moving the world's largest cargo are real, but so are the rewards for overcoming them. Every takeoff is a step into a future where big ideas can travel anywhere. As industries and cities grow, the Windrunner will help them reach new heights. Its innovations may inspire the next generation of aircraft, and its success could spark more investment in sustainable, efficient air transport. The world will watch as this megalifter proves what's possible, flight after flight. In the end, the Windrunner is not just about lifting heavy cargo, it's about lifting our sights, showing what's possible when we refuse to be limited by size or distance. The future of air cargo is here, and it's bigger, bolder, and brighter than ever before. Imagine a world reshaped by possibility, where the Windrunner's immense wingspan becomes a lifeline for those in need. In the aftermath of natural disasters, when roads are impassable and time is critical, megalifter aircraft like Radias can deliver entire field hospitals, emergency shelters, and life-saving supplies in a single flight. Communities cut off by floods, earthquakes, or storms could receive food, water, and medical teams within hours, not days. But the impact goes beyond disaster relief. In remote regions, these giants of the sky could bring vital infrastructure, power generators, clean water systems, or even modular schools, helping vulnerable communities rebuild and thrive. Each mission would not only carry cargo, but also hope, resilience, and the promise of a better tomorrow. The Windrunner's story is just beginning. As technology advances and ambition grows, the future of megalifter aircraft could redefine how we respond to crisis and care for each other. By bridging distances and breaking barriers, these engineering marvels may one day lift not just heavy loads, but the human spirit itself, proving that with vision and courage, we can rise to meet any challenge. As the world looks to the skies for solutions, the environmental impact of megalifter aircraft like the Windrunner takes center stage. But innovation isn't just about size and strength, it's about sustainability. Engineers are reimagining these giants with next-generation, fuel-efficient engines, lightweight composite materials, and advanced aerodynamics that cut emissions and reduce noise pollution. Some designs even incorporate hybrid electric propulsion, solar-assisted power, and biofuels, making each flight cleaner and greener. On the ground, eco-friendly logistics and optimized routing ensure that every mission leaves a lighter footprint. The Windrunner's vast cargo hold can transport renewable energy infrastructure, solar panels, wind turbines, and batteries, helping remote communities leap toward a sustainable future. By championing green technologies, megalifters are poised to become not just tools of progress, but symbols of responsibility. Their journey through the clouds is a testament to what's possible when ambition meets environmental stewardship. With every takeoff and landing, the Windrunner inspires a new vision, a world where progress and planet soar together, and the sky is not the limit, but the beginning of a brighter, cleaner tomorrow. Imagine a world where vast distances and challenging terrains are no longer barriers to trade. Megalifter aircraft like the Windrunner are rewriting the rules of global logistics, unleashing a new era of speed, efficiency, and flexibility. With their massive cargo holds and ability to land in remote or improvised locations, these giants can deliver goods directly from manufacturers to markets, bypassing congested ports, railways, and highways. From rapid e-commerce fulfillment to just-in-time delivery of industrial machinery, megalifters shrink the world for businesses big and small. Perishable goods, pharmaceuticals, and essential supplies reach their destinations faster, fresher, and with less risk of disruption. As supply chains grow more complex, these airborne titans offer unprecedented resilience, bridging gaps during natural disasters, geopolitical tensions, or infrastructure failures. Major logistics companies are already exploring partnerships and pilot programs, envisioning fleets of megalifters as the backbone of a new global network. The result? Reduced delivery times, expanded market access, and a seamless flow of commerce across continents and cultures. With every flight, megalifters are not just moving cargo, they're moving the world forward, transforming the way we connect, trade, and thrive. The story of megalifter aircraft is only just beginning. As technology accelerates, the next generation of these airborne giants will be smarter, stronger, and more efficient than ever before. Imagine fleets of megalifters piloted by advanced AI, seamlessly plotting flight routes, optimizing fuel consumption, and coordinating in real time with global logistics networks. Autonomous flight capabilities will allow these aircraft to operate in the most challenging environments, day or night, rain or shine, minimizing human error and maximizing safety. But innovation doesn't stop at the cockpit. Scientists and engineers are developing next-gen materials, from ultra-lightweight composites to self-healing alloys, making future megalifters even larger and more durable, while reducing their environmental footprint. These advancements will enable longer flights, heavier payloads, and lower operating costs. On board, smart cargo systems driven by machine learning will monitor and protect sensitive goods, adapting to changing conditions mid-flight. Real-time data streams will keep supply chains transparent and responsive, while predictive maintenance powered by AI will keep the fleet soaring with minimal downtime. With every breakthrough, the line between science fiction and reality blurs. The future of megalifters is one of limitless possibility, where intelligent machines and advanced materials come together to redefine what's possible in the skies above. The age of the super-smart, ultra-efficient megalifter is on the horizon, promising to lift not just cargo, but the very boundaries of human achievement.